Passing case around my heart, the beat's the only measure of even knowing I'm alive. Could turn this pain to pleasure. Before I shut right down, shut the door for good. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? Oh, 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 oh. I'll find the truth deep inside. Life is in my head, so no need to pray, 'cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. Oh, 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 it's gonna be mine to claim. No one else gets to decide, 'cause the future's only made for you and I. Such a narrow world, full of empty dreams, poison ivy twists, like my haunted screams. Staring through the fog, I can finally see. I will blow it all away like a blazer. Break the ice, break the ice now. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice now. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? Oh, 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 oh. I'll find the truth deep inside. Life is in my head, so no
It's gonna get icy tonight.
'cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. Oh, 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 oh. It's gonna be mine to claim.
We're drawing avalugg.
It's my right to be free, 'cause the future's only made for you and I. And the story will last forevermore.
One of my favorites. This Pokemon was spotted from the Kalos region. I consider it this one, and I've discovered that this Pokemon is recently Avalugg's also. It's actually a Bergmite's evolved form. And to be honest, it looks awesome. It looks amazing. Alexa, what is a Gorgonopsian?
Here's something I found on the web. According to jcarchibald.com, while descriptions of Gorgons vary, the term most commonly refers to three sisters who are described as having hair made of living, venomous snakes and horrifying visages that turned those who beheld them to stone.
Alexa, what is Scutosaurus?
Here's something I found on the web. According to aquapress.com, S-saurus is a cryptic predator that feeds mainly of small pelagic, gregarious fish. It is primarily associated with soft bottom substrate.
Alexa, what is Scutellosaurus?
According to an Alexa Answers control.
Alexa, what is Scutellosaurus?
Thanks for letting me know.
Alexa, what is Scutellosaurus?
Here's something I found on the web. According to aquapress.com, S-saurus is a
Alexa,
cryptic
stop.
predator that...
Alright, so that's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and check out which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. And check out the Pokemon playlist. Stegosaurus, see you later.